No one ever told them they were becoming adults. They just stopped being children one day. Some children don't lose their childhood suddenly. They slowly trade their toys for responsibilities. And if this feels familiar, this video is for you. This is psychology of a child who grew up too fast. The child who had to be mature before they were ready. Who learned to stay strong even when they were scared. Let's understand what really happens inside their mind. 1. Emotional suppression. They learn that their feelings are too much, so they hide them. They smile when they are tired. They say, "I am fine," when they are overwhelmed. Because nobody ever made space for their emotions. And over time, they don't just hide their feelings for others. They hide them from themselves. 2. Hyper-independence. They struggle to depend on anyone. Asking for help feels uncomfortable. Trust feels risky. Because growing up, they learned that relying on others leads to disappointment. So they become independent. Not because they want to, but because they had to. 3. Hidden loneliness. They were never alone, but they always felt alone. They learned to sit in a crowded room and still feel invisible. They mastered the art of smiling while breaking inside. They don't need attention, they need understanding. 4. Early responsibility. They became strong before they were ready. Childhood ended, responsibility began. They solved problems instead of being kids. Growing up was not a choice. They learned survival before innocence. Too young, too responsible. They did not have a childhood, they had pressure. They did not learn to play, they learned to cope. Now they are adults who feel tired for no clear reason. But listen carefully. It was never your job to be that strong. You were just a child. If this felt like your story, you are not alone. Follow for more psychology truths that explain what you never had words for.